So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to connect your hosting or domain to Netlify website, here's how to do it in just a few steps. Firstly, log into Netlify and open your website's domain management settings. Click Add Domain. Enter your hosting or domain and continue until Netlify shows you the required name servers. Keep this page open. Then log into Hostinger and go to Domains, then DNS/name servers. Select your domain and choose name servers, then replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Netlify, then click Save. Now all you have to do is go back to Netlify and check your domain status. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so all you have to do is wait. And that's it. Once DNS propagation is complete, your hosting or domain should point to your Netlify website. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.